Aha moment. Think you know all about country's national animal? Put your skills to the test with these fun and challenging questions. Let's see how many correct answers you will get. What is the national animal of India? A. Leopard, B. Bengal tiger, C. Elephant, D. Lion. What is the national animal of Australia? A. Kangaroo, B. Koala, C. Emu, D. Platypus. What is the national animal of China? A. Giant panda, B. Red panda, C. Yak, D. Siberian tiger. What is the national animal of USA? A. Bald eagle, B. Grizzly bear, C. Cougar, D. Squirrel. What is the national animal of Russia? A. Red fox, B. Eurasian lynx, C. Cougar, D. Brown bear. What is the national animal of Canada? A. Moose, B. Elk, C. Beaver, D. Bison. What is the national animal of South Africa? A. Springbok, B. Lion, C. Cheetah, D. African elephant. What is the national animal of Pakistan? A. Snow leopard, B. Camel, C. Markhor, D. Ibex. What is the national animal of Bangladesh? A. Royal Bengal, tiger, B. Elephant, C. Leopard, D. Crocodile. What is the national animal of Philippines? A. Tarsier, B. Eagle, C. Carabao, D. Deer. What is the national animal of Japan? A. Ural owl, B. Green pheasant, C. Black kite, D. Red crowned. What is the national animal of Thailand? A. Garby buffalo, C. Elephant, D. Tiger. What is the national animal of Brazil? A. Sloth, B. Jaguar, C. Tapir, D. Capybara. What is the national animal of Scotland? A. Highland crow, B. Unicorn, C. Red deer, D. Wolf. What is the national animal of Norway? A. Wolf, B. Moose, C. Arctic fox, D. Lynx. What is the national animal of Kenya? A. Giraffe, B. African buffalo, C. Lion, D. Leopard. What is the national animal of Indonesia? A. Sumatran tiger, B. Orangutan, C. Komodo dragon, D. Javan rhino. What is the national animal of Mexico? A. Golden eagle. B. Jaguar. C. Iguanas. D. Mexican gray wolf. What is the national animal of Malaysia? A. Tiger. B. Hornbill. C. Tapir. D. Sun bear. What is the national animal of Sri Lanka? A. Sambar deer. B. Peacock. C. Sloth bear. D. Grizzled giant squirrel. What is the national animal of Germany? A. Red fox. B. Chamois. C. Bundesadler. D. Wild boar. What is the national animal of France? A. Rooster. B. Dog. C. Lion. D. Horse. What is the national symbol of Egypt? A. Eagle of Saladin. B. Camel. C. Fennec fox. D. Nubian ibex. What is the national animal of Bhutan? A. Yak. B. Red panda. C. Snow leopard. D. Takin. What is the national animal of Saudi Arabia? A. Arabian siren. B. Arabian oryx. C. Sand partridge. D. Arabian camel. What is the national animal of New Zealand? A. Kiwi. B. Kiyosi. Weka. D. Sun bear. What is the national animal of Vietnam? A. Slow loris. B. Pangolin. C. Monkey. D. Water buffalo. What is the national animal of Nepal? A. Red panda. B. Yak. C. Cow. D. Snow leopard. What is the national animal of Mongolia? I. Argali. B. Marmot. C. Taki. D. Domestic yak. What is the national animal of South Korea? A. Tiger. B. Magpie. C. Otter. D. Crane. Thanks for watching. So how many answers did you get right? Drop your score in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning activities.